guys, today I am back with a quick video. It's not really an unboxing because I'm kind of late. I forgot to film that part. So shout out to Buxom Cosmetics for sending me the Boss Babe Beauty palette, Boss Babe Betty palette. So I've already swatched it and taken photos of it, and I'm actually wearing this palette today. So yes. So this is what it looks like. Really cute palette. It shows all the names in the back. There is 12 colors. There is 4 mattes and the rest are all metallic shimmers. So it's really sparkly. I love it. Sorry, the lighting is bad. I don't know why. I think it's because it's really bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you the swatches. And for this palette, I'm actually using this shade, which is called Invite Only. We got Work, and then we got Unapologetic. And for the lid, I used Faster. And for the brow bone, I used Cashmere Craving, and for my inner corners I used Gold Status. So yes, that is what I have going on right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you these swatches and the photos that I took before I went ahead and put my fingers all in this palette. I really like it. The only shade that just did not go well swatching was this one, Unapologetic, but for some reason I was able to build the coverage on my eyes, so it was weird. Anyway, other than that, that was the only issue that I had. As far as fallout, there wasn't that much fallout in the shimmers or metallics. Everything blended and was very buildable, so everything worked out well. So thank you so much, Buxom Cosmetics, for sending me this. I definitely approve. It does retail for $39. They have another palette as well that has more like pink tones, and I forgot the name, but I'll link it down below, that way you can find it. And yeah, so thank you, and thanks for watching, and I'll check you guys later. Bye.